It is day 9 for this Bonne Maman advent calendar, and this is compartment number 9 here on the bottom. Let's open it up and let's see what's in it. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. Let's see what it is. Today is rhubarb strawberry spread. That sounds really good. I love rhubarb. Today I am going to make a snack with this rhubarb strawberry spread. So I have some golden round crackers. These are from Trader Joe's. These are like a healthier version of Ritz crackers, but you could use any kind of cracker you like. I have some herbed goat cheese, which is right here. Regular goat cheese would be fine also. I just happen to have this one in my fridge. And then I am using this Bonne Maman rhubarb strawberry spread from the advent calendar today. So let's open this up. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna get a little spoon to taste it first. Okay, let's taste this. I love rhubarb. Love, love, love rhubarb. And this has a really nice balance between the rhubarb and the strawberry. I love how rhubarb has a nice tartness to it, and the tartness of the rhubarb goes really well with the sweetness of the strawberry. So that is really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a cracker and I'm going to take some of this goat cheese. And I'm going to put the goat cheese on the cracker. This goat cheese is from Trader Joe's also. It's been in my fridge for a few days. I'm going to take some of the strawberry rhubarb jam and put it on the cracker with the goat cheese. That looks good. I'm going to taste it. That's a really nice combination. Wow, that's good. When I was growing up, I used to enjoy eating English muffins with cream cheese and jelly. I remember eating that for breakfast a lot. And that is what this reminds me of. This is kind of like a more sophisticated version of it with the goat cheese and then the rhubarb strawberry jam. It's really nice together. I can't tell you the last time that I had anything with cream cheese and jelly on it. I mean, we are talking so many years, I can't remember. So this is definitely a treat for me. And I'm gonna make another one right now. This is a really nice snack and it's a really nice treat for me, and I am going to enjoy the rest of this fruit spread with the goat cheese and the crackers. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.